For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a fabric store business can be an exciting and profitable venture for anyone with a passion for textiles, creativity, and customer service. The key to success lies in smart planning, effective marketing, and efficient management. With the help of free AI tools, you can drastically reduce your startup costs and streamline many critical processes. This guide will walk you step by step through starting your fabric store, showing you how to use AI at each stage to save time, gather insights, and build a professional business from the ground up. Step 1. Research the market and define your niche. Before you begin buying fabric or securing a storefront, you need to understand your target market. Use Google Trends to explore search demand for keywords like fabric store, quilting fabric, or sustainable textiles in your area. Try ChatGPT to get quick competitor analysis summaries by using this prompt. Summarize the strengths and weaknesses of local fabric stores in your city and suggest how I can differentiate my business. Free AI tools like Perplexity.ai can also help you gather industry insights from current articles. Your goal is to decide if you want to specialize, e.g., quilting fabric, designer textiles, eco-friendly fabrics, or offer a broader range. Step 2. Create a business plan with AI assistance. Once your niche is clear, build a solid business plan using ChatGPT or Notion AI. A suggested prompt for ChatGPT would be: write a business plan for a retail fabric store in city/state, focusing on specialty/niche, including market analysis, startup costs, and revenue projections. Free platforms like Copy.ai and Simplified.com also offer business plan generators powered by AI. These plans will help you stay organized and prepare for funding or permits if needed. Step 3. Choose your business name and branding. Your brand name should be memorable, relevant, and available as a domain name. Use Namelix, a free AI-powered business name generator, by entering keywords like fabric, textiles, or threads. For example, input: generate unique and modern business names for a boutique fabric store. After picking a name, use Canva's free AI tools to create a logo, signage, and branding materials. Canva also offers AI-assisted design suggestions that adjust based on your input. Step 4. Register the business and handle legal requirements. Register your business with your state or local government, apply for a business license, and get a resale or seller's permit to buy inventory tax-free. For help drafting simple agreements, e.g., lease terms or vendor contracts, use ChatGPT with prompts like: draft a simple retail lease agreement for a small fabric shop in Florida. Always confirm legal documents with a professional, but AI can give you a strong starting draft. Step 5. Plan and set up your inventory with AI tools. Use free spreadsheets and AI-powered inventory tools such as Zoho Inventory, free for small businesses, to track and manage your fabric stock. Ask ChatGPT to help you build a categorized inventory list with this prompt. Create a sample inventory template for a fabric store with categories like cotton, silk, wool, and blends, including price, supplier, and quantity. You can also use AI image recognition tools like Google Lens to identify unlabeled fabric types. Step 6. Design a store layout or e-commerce setup. If you're launching a physical store, use AI interior design tools like RoomGPT to visualize store layouts. Upload a photo of your space and ask the AI to suggest retail layouts optimized for foot traffic. If you're selling online, platforms like Shopify offer free AI-generated store setup tips and product descriptions. Use the prompt: write product descriptions for an online fabric store selling luxury cotton, linen, and eco-friendly textiles. Step 7. Develop your marketing strategy using AI. Create a full marketing plan with the help of ChatGPT using this prompt. Create a marketing plan for a new fabric store opening in city, including social media, email campaigns, local events, and promotions. Use MailChimp's free AI features to draft email marketing content. For social media posts, tools like Lumen 5 and Pictory can turn text prompts into short promotional videos. Canva's Magic Write can generate post captions, and Buffer lets you schedule posts across platforms. Step 8. Build an online presence with free AI tools. Set up a basic website using free builders like Wix or Card, and use AI to create compelling homepage content. Use this prompt with ChatGPT. Write homepage content for a local fabric store that offers a wide range of materials and personal service in location. Don't forget to set up your Google business profile and ask ChatGPT to help you write your business description and FAQs. Step 9. Source your suppliers and negotiate deals. Look for wholesalers online through platforms like Alibaba, Fabric.com, and local trade directories. Use ChatGPT to help evaluate vendors or draft supplier emails. Write a professional email requesting wholesale pricing and minimum order terms for fabric supplies. AI can also simulate negotiation responses, helping you practice your supplier conversations. Step 10. Train your team and set up operations. Whether you hire staff or run the store yourself, create standard operating procedures using ChatGPT prompts like write standard customer service and checkout procedures for a fabric store. AI can also generate job descriptions, onboarding checklists, and FAQ manuals for training employees quickly and consistently. Step 11. Launch your store and track performance. Plan a grand opening with promotions and giveaways. Use ChatGPT to draft the event plan. Plan a grand opening event for a new fabric store, including social media teasers, giveaways, and opening day discounts. Use free analytics tools like Google Analytics or Meta Business Suite to monitor your website traffic and campaign success. For daily insights, ask ChatGPT. Analyze this customer feedback and suggest 3 ways to improve my fabric store service. Step 12. Expand through feedback and AI-driven adjustments. Once your store is running, continuously collect feedback and let AI analyze it. Use forms created in Google Forms or Typeform. Then paste customer responses into ChatGPT with a prompt like, summarize these 15 customer reviews and identify areas for improvement. You can also ask ChatGPT to recommend additional products based on current sales trends or seasonal fabric demands. Conclusion. Starting a fabric store doesn't require a massive budget or a background in retail if you're willing to leverage the power of free AI tools. From planning and branding to marketing and daily operations, artificial intelligence can serve as your co-founder, offering insights, generating content, organizing logistics, and even helping you train staff. By following these steps and applying smart AI prompts, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving fabric business that combines your creativity with efficient, modern tools. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.